Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by choosing the right canvas because layout dictates final print. Set page size to A4 or letter and pick landscape for wide certificates. Once done, tighten margins to 0. 1 inch so elements sit neatly. Turn on rulers and grid lines to place content precisely. Insert a rectangle or rounded shape to serve as a background panel. Fill with a subtle color or gradient so text remains readable. Make sure to lock the shape position to avoid accidental shifts as you add other elements. Now you build the certificate content with intention. Place a large title text box at the top using a display font. Pick a complementary serif or sans for recipient name and body so contrast reads well. Insert your logo and set wrap text to in front of text, then resize proportionally for visual weight. Use alignment guides or the Align tool to center elements horizontally and vertically. Add a decorative border using shapes or page borders, and adjust line weight so it frames without overpowering the content. To complete the certificate, refine typography by tightening spacing and testing font sizes at actual print scale so recipients read names easily. Once satisfied, save the document as a.x template for repeat use, then export a high-quality PDF for printing or emailing. Make sure to check print preview and uncheck background printing issues if required. If elements move or crop, inspect object anchors, lock aspect ratios on images, and reapply alignment guides. This fixes common layout shifts before you distribute or print.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.